This is how you go from zero to a structured Flutter app in 60 seconds. We're using Google Antigravity to architect a premium clothing shop. I'm giving you the exact prompt I use to define the project goal, log in a professional tech stack, organize a feature first folder structure, and inject mock data so you can run the app immediately. No more boilerplate, just coding. Let's dive in. To get a better result from an AI agent, use the architectural prompt. It begins by defining the persona, establishing the AI as a senior Flutter architect. The process then follows 4 critical phases. Phase 1. Project objective goal. Set the strategic vision and core functionality of the application. Phase 2. Tech stack specification. Define the state management, local storage, and third-party integration to be used. Phase 3. Architecture and directory mapping. Enforce a specific folder structure to ensure maintainability and clean code principles. Phase 4. Scope and data modeling. Outline the core data model, generate realistic mock data, and establish the initial UI framework. To initialize the development workflow, first copy the master prompt for you with Antigravity. Navigate to the Agent Manager. Select your target project and initialize a new command. Pass the prompt into the configuration field to trigger the AI agent project generation sequence. With the generation phase complete, it's time to perform a code review. Now that the codebase has passed our initial audit, we're moving into the functional testing phase with the emulator. We counter runtime exception. I now feed the stack trace back into the AI agent to perform a root cause analysis and generate a hotfix. Now that the AI agent has refactored the code, let's run the build again and verify it. Let's test the code. After testing for a while, the functions in this arm are working properly. So systematic prompting is the script weapon of the modern developer. We've gone through the project goal, log in our tech stack, organize our folder structure, and even handle the initial scope with mock data. You're no longer just a coder, you're a conductor using AI to be a better, faster, and cleaner. That's all for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any question, just leave a comment below. Peace.